soon we will be in London in June,
Yes.
and like you're gonna be there.
Yes. I'm actually speaking.
Oh,
That
yes,
was our
that's
question.
yes, exactly.
Can you give us some kind of hint of what you would what you will talk about?
It's going to be EDI, so AS2, EDIFACT, and X12 with Logic App Standard.
Nice.
Nice.
And I'm going to be showing a system that I built several years ago in Logic Apps Consumption that uses Key Vault as a configuration store.
Okay.
So when a message comes in,
Mm.
it basically goes off to the Key Vault, gets the sending partner, the receiving partner, and the message type, looks that up and finds out what maps to apply, where to send it to, how to send it, all of that stuff. So it's all configuration driven. So you're not doing a lot of point-to-point type logic apps. You build the one system and you just add to it with configuration and maps.
That's really good. Then we need to prepare our pens and papers and start
Yeah.
to take notes on that. I am looking forward to this.
Yeah.
I want to come back home with some
Yeah,
notes.
and I just
And
want to
then
have yeah. Sorry, Bill.
Yeah.
Sorry.
and then I'm going to go on to Hamburg with the guys in Germany after that,
Yeah.
later in that week. And I'll probably I've done so much stuff with liquid mapping. I'm going to actually talk about using liquid maps outside of Logic Apps.
Okay.
So in functions and websites and things like that, and the advantage of some of that.
It's a longer trip here in Europe, and then we need to follow you around. It's a Euro trip.
Yeah, exactly. From London
Well,
to
yeah,
Hamburg.
for me, it's a 16 and a half hour flight from, or actually it's more than that. It's 3.5 hours from Melbourne to Perth, and then from Perth to London is 16 and a half.
Yeah.
Direct.
Okay.
So
yeah.
If I'm going that far, I want to stay more than 2 days.
Yeah.
I 100%. I did a trip, but I went London to Perth and stayed in Australia for 8 weeks. So yeah,
Yep.
I was there for the same reason.
I don't understand the people who just go for one event and just go back because it takes too much time.
Yeah,
you need to
Yep.
time to actually, your brain need to understand that you are in a new time zone now.
Yeah.
This takes time.
See, last year it was good because I brought my wife with me. And then we did a bit around London after the conference, and then we did Zurich, Innsbruck, and Vienna.
Oh,
so
nice.
before we came back, so that worked out good.